Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, I'll show you how to lock apps on your iPhone without using any third-party apps. This method works perfectly using built-in iPhone settings, so let's get started. First of all, on your iOS device, open up the Settings app. Now, scroll all the way down until you see the Screen Time option and tap on it. If you haven't already enabled, tap on Turn on Screen Time and follow the prompts. After you are in the Screen Time page, go ahead and tap on App Limits. Now, click on Add Limit and then you will see a list of app categories. Tap on one of these categories to expand them and then select the app you want to lock. After choosing an app, tap on Next at the top right. Now, set the timer from the toggle menu. This will select the time in which you want to lock the app on. After you select the timer, tap on Add at the top right. Now once you've done that, go ahead and close this screen and open up the app that you selected. Now once you open up the app that you selected, after the selected time frame of usage, the app will be locked. To access it again, you'll need to enter the Screen Time passcode. And that is how you can easily lock an app on your iPhone without installing any additional apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.